Hello? Guys, let me see. You know how I told you that my tripod fucked up. So, well, it didn't fuck up, but well, it is fucked up. Let me see. This is better. Let me see. Okay, yeah, that's better. Okay, so I went to pay some bills and then I went to buy some stuff. And in the morning, I wanted like some of the burritos that we buy from Melissa, but instead we were like, no, let's make some tortas, right? So Sam took me to pay my pawn shop. Oh, by the way, I bought this ring, $10. Wait, see if I can take it off, because yeah, I think I can. And they wanted to sell me this other one, but it was $35. It was silver also, with a pearly color, big, bien bonito. $10. $10. I think I'm gonna put that on my chain instead of this one, because this is just like a gel thing, like así como de, not plastic, pero no sé si se echa a perder. And I think I want to put this one there better, huh, guys? Okay, so we're watching Medea. Let me know where. I don't want to get in trouble. I don't want to get in trouble. So I made tortas de jamón con queso, cebolla. No, I didn't put tomate. Shredded lettuce, mayo. Did I say avocado? Oh yeah, I say aguacate. I got 2 pickles here. I got tater tots, and then the other ones, I bought the pre-made meatballs at Walmart. Mira, okay, so I bought pre-made meatballs at Walmart, and I got some marinara sauce and the cheese. So it's kind of like a meatball sub. I love meatball subs from Subway. It's kind of like a little meatball sub, because we were looking for like torta bread, but I found these ones. There was some that were 4 something, 5 something, $2.42. Let me show you. And it was just perfect because it was 8 of them, two sandwiches for each, you know. Mira, but you have to slice them in half because they're not already cut up like hamburgers. I think I'm gonna eat the Subway one first because I have it's got sauce and it's gonna start leaking, and I think it's gonna make a big mess right now. But oh well. Something I used to say: if something doesn't leak, it's not yummy. Like a burrito. Okay. First bite. Cheese. I just put cheese in there and the meatballs. I forgot to say fuck yeah. Oh, I put onions in there. Triple onion. I don't know what I forgot. Qué rico. When I get a meatball sub at Subway, I get the provolone cheese and I have them toast it. So then the meatballs, and then I put onions and bell pepper. I love bell pepper. I forgot to get bell pepper. Oh, that's fucking yummy, guys. But sí está bien bueno, guys. I'm hard. When there's certain foods that you have to eat with your hands, of course. And your finger looking good. Then I bought some pickles. They're plastic. I'm not lying. It was something like $85. It was cash. And this was for today, like a meal for today. So just me and Jesse got the meatballs. So it's a big bag, but it's like almost $10. No, it was like $7. So we'll have some meatballs left. We'll have pickles left. I bought a bag of tater tots. Well, you put them in the air fryer and the meatballs. And I bought some chicken patties. They're already frozen. Also, regular chicken patties. They're really yummy. And it tastes like I'm a chicken. So, guys, this is fucking yummy. Fucking yummy. Fucking yummy. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for this food. And forgive me for my sins. And then the doctor told me, oh, I got 2 gallons of milk. Like I said about my little ring. It's because every time I go to the pawn shop every month to pay my bills, I have to look at the rings because sometimes they're $10, $15. This is the one I bought last week. Remember I showed it to you guys? Parece un engagement ring. Está muy bonito. And then I had bought the Infinity and Beyond. Remember I showed it to you? And the black one. Este está chingón. Está bien bonito. This is the way that other silver one was that I was telling you about today. That was $35. She was going to leave it at 30. I told her, déjamelo en 25. Y me llevó los dos. And she said, déjame ver. I've been a client of First Cash pawn shop for so many years. I don't know, since I lived there, over there. I had a First Cash up the street. I'm Mesa. That was aquí tengo 2 years. Ya tenía como 21, 22. Fíjate, casi 25 años. And I was not a pawn shop kind of woman before. I didn't even know about pawn shop. But, you know, la necesidad, you know. The crunch. I wish I had those microphones on right here. The crunch of the purple onion. Can you see that purple onion right there? As much as I like onions and raw on your burger or whatever, but I wouldn't dare take a bite out of it. That's a strong onion. Fuck. That was strong and that was a little piece. I'm gonna leave this freaking strong. You're the man in the boat. Did you guys see that witness protection one of Medea? Yeah. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna take this off. I had another wig here. There's the one that has a hole in there in case you wanna. Speaking of I'm sorry, guys. My hair's all fucked up. Sorry. And then someone said, Sonia gave me shout out to Sonia. I went to look for her because she works at the deli section now at Walmart. No estaba, unless she was in the back, which that's where I got her out of the last time she was in the back. Where she prepares the roasted chickens. And I don't know what else she does back there. So she's not up front. I don't know if they're going to show. They'll probably show her how to weigh the stuff and be in the front later on. Yesterday or the day before when we were going to eat something, I don't know, something Julia was going to bring home. And we stopped at the store. At the Dollar General. She said, what do you guys want? Snacks and goodies to watch movies. Yesterday. That was yesterday. Me y Leslie were in the car and then I called her and told her, ¿sabes qué? Pues I told her, no, mija, no quiero nada. ¿Sabes qué, ma? Le dije, date unos pickles. She was getting the kids, she got Jesse a Slim Jim, a beef jerky. And then, I don't remember what else. I don't remember what else, but, some snacks and stuff. No. Mm. I don't know, was it yesterday when we were gonna watch Pinocchio? I just saw a little bit of it. And when was it? I was trying to remember if it was yesterday or the day before when we had the hot dogs that they tasted like soap. Oh, I think it was yesterday. No. Sam says she ate hers and she didn't taste any soap up in there. Mm-mm. The meatballs are falling out. Oh! The fuck was that? Sam! Go be a dick again. I don't know, but did you guys hear that? Behind my TV right here is the front. There's a window with the persianas, window shade. It sounded like somebody threw something, not a rock. Like a ball, a little ball. Hard enough to sound, but not hard enough to crack the window. Part of it was up there on that other window or this one. Not scary. I feel like a Spanish, like a Puerto Rican. And I feel Rican in this. Rican. Ooh, I'm gonna go get me my twigs. Shout out to Irma if you're there. Hello. My ex's cousin. She's gonna give me another twigs. I think I told you yesterday before. When she showed them to me and they're like in the plastico. One of them looks dark and the other one looks like maybe a brown. I got a big burp stuck in there. Hold on. But I wouldn't dare burp like that in front of you. These are the little ones that come up by accident because you're eating, you know. Okay. But there's a big mama stuck in there. Did you guys ever see the movie Revenge of the Nerds? There's an old movie back in the 80s called I'm trying to stick the meat out here. Revenge of the Nerds. And there was a guy named Booger. And he could burp. Oh my god. Machinzote. Remember one time, one of my followers from Facebook that's here, subscribed. I forgot his name, I'm sorry. I think he's from Pakistan. And he's the one that told me that he loved my burps, and I was like, sorry. Big bite. Yeah, go home. Going to mission. I love meatballs. And I love my meatball soup, Mexican meatball soup. It's called albondigas. I was gonna look at it and it was a little diamond. Oh, shine bright like a diamond. I almost ate that diamond up, huh? I'm still blind from this eye, so how you doing? Tamba, like a diamond. Remember, I made the chicken sauce. It's still good, but I think I'm gonna throw it out. Nobody wants to eat it. And it's sad because it's because I'm used to cooking a lot since I've been like 10, 12. I've been cooking. And I've told you guys many times I love cooking. It's my passion, and I just love it. But it was 7 of us in my family, so you know, we were gonna make whatever picadillo or whatever. It had to be a lot enough, you know, and we had to add stuff to make it rendir for all of us, so we could all have enough. So. Mhm. When we were little, I remember my mom used to get the family packs of meat because there was a lot of us. You know? Oh, I remember something else. Remember yesterday I was saying you, Warrior. Al rato me compré unos olives y les hago así Warriors come out and play. My niece Jessica, when she was a baby, she was little, real little. She loved olives, the black olives, which is strange for kids. She would put them in each finger, and then she would come after us and oh, get funny. And she looked really cute because I don't know why, but 2 of my sister's daughters were born very like this, like if they were chinitas, very chinitas. It's fucking funny, you guys. I love the Medea movies. Okay, here goes the last bite of this. Okay, too big. Too big for my little mouth. I don't know, guys. Do you think I have a little mouth or a big mouth? It was a little bit smaller, but when I started getting like the tattoo done, outline, they look a little bit bigger. But I don't know if I have money to get fillers. Would I get them? I don't know. Oh. What you guys? I'm very tall, 53. If I had the money and had somebody who's gonna take care of me 24/7, I would do the Brazilian butt lift. My boobies are already all ya. Están viejas. Ya están bien. Imagine losing about 150 pounds, Of course they're gonna deflate. Maybe they look pretty, if when I have my push-up bras. But check out my bra and they're gonna fall to the floor, Oh, I'm up to 31,000 past 31,800 followers in Facebook. Why? Pues mis chichis. I don't know if I ever told you that. I get a lot of nasty motherfuckers up in there, in the Facebook and shit, and 2 times already. Yeah, I'm at the groceries and I have gotten a picture taken of me holding 2 melons, así. Y luego les hago así, over there. Algunas fotos así, una más vieja y una más reciente. And when these little motherfuckers are talking about se llaman las chichis or shit like that. I'll be like, oh, okay, sí, claro. ¿A poco si quieres ver mis melones? And they say yes. And then I send them the picture of my big melons. They'll just say, ha ha ha, you really got me there. I was already getting, you know, excited. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mayonnaise, ham, aguacate. Mm. Aguacate, a lot of aguacate. Shredded lettuce. And the onion, the purple onion. Very good. Mm. 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 Very good, guys. I'm enjoying my lunch. Well, it's my breakfast, actually. My breakfast. But I had to use a lot of napkins for the marinara one. It was fucking worth it. If you are a mom, me and Elizabeth and Lulis, you know you have 2, 3, 4 kids. Sometimes you don't have time to get the carne and roll it up, and you're tired because you're all day cleaning and taking the kids, or you have a job as well, or whatever, blah, 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 to make spaghetti meatballs. Go to Walmart and get the meatballs. If you're gonna make spaghetti, get the one that's called Italian flavor. Mm. Hey, wait. This one sister from my other church one time made I think we were saying, what are you gonna bring? What are you gonna bring? What do you want me to help you with? What? She said, hermana, yo traigo un espagueti. And I said, okay, hermana, gracias. You put it in those dollar charolas with the little cover, real pretty.
I'll go mop down there later when you're finished.
Yeah, because you know how it smells. That's because she's gonna mop for me, but she needs to mop down here. She's mopping upstairs. I'm the type of person that, okay, ma, I can't be eating when somebody's around me mopping, and though it smells pretty, pine sol or whatever, but the scents mixed and me da asco. I love you guys. All right, thank you. What else? God, I don't know if you guys have it. This is something that Julia has as well as I do. I don't know if y'all have it or if you know anybody that has it. A lot of people have these weird things going on with them in their self. So I worked in the Goodwill for like 4 years when I was younger. I would open up the donations and be out in the back and give them their receipts, sorting clothes and wada. And, perdón, when it was towels that they were donating, most of the time it was folded up towels, and they smell really nice, like Suavitel or whatever, like they wash them before they donated them. But sometimes people would just throw shit in bags and then just go throw them at the Goodwill. So I'd have to open them, right? These were towels that have probably been in their closet for years or something. I don't know. Very old towels that you barely touch them, and they're very rough. I don't know if you know what I mean. Old rough towels. And when my fingertips would feel it would like, oh. Certain socks too. Some socks you touch and you're like, I have that. Like my Julia, she's got this thing where she's eating. She'll stop eating if the food is not yummy. If the feeling is not good in her mouth. If it's got different textures, she trips out. let's say something cooked with something raw, right? Like Whataburger with the onions. If she feels like she's chewing and then something harder or crunchy, she, I know just one. I remember my husband's cousin, big ass Carol. Um, big ass Carol. One time we were talking about like bunch of ladies in my house. We were all talking, having coffee and shit. We were talking about things that we hate. I've told you before. She said something she really, really hated, big time, which is something that we've all gone through as women when we have kids. You know, you buy them cereal and you put it in their bowl and they drop some on the floor. And if you walk, it crunches because you're stepping on the cereal. She says that's the worst sound feeling that she can, fathom, you know. Si piso my sorrow. Ay, dice. Qué funny, ¿verdad? It's like me. I smoked cigarettes for many, many years. I barely stopped smoking last year in June. And now when I smell somebody smoking around me, it's no me da asco, but it's gross. It's like, oh, and it's strong to me. It's strong. I still, June, July, August, September, October. A year and 4 months already that I stopped smoking, that I quit smoking, but I still do crave it. I'm not gonna lie. I hope I never pick up the habit again. I don't think I will. I'm too old already to just start doing stuff, you know. I'm too freaking sick to pick up bad habits because they're just gonna get me sicker and closer to the grave. You know what I mean? No more. But also, you can't say no because you never know, right? Like in Spanish, the saying is nunca digas que no, nunca escupas al cielo porque de rato te cae the spit on you, which means don't ever spit in the sky because it's obviously gonna come down and fall right on you. Which means also like never say never, because one day for saying no, like karma, it'll come back to you. Stuff like that. That's my favorite song, guys. My favorite older. Let me say. Déjame la abajo. Since we've been together. El Green, guys. Let's stay together. "29 minutes, guys." So I went to pay my pawn. I didn't know what to say, my bill. And then Julia called to pay ourselves through the phone. Well, but ya sabes. If I mukbang tomorrow, hopefully I'm gonna have some really good news for you. Hopefully, but I'm not gonna say. I'm not saying nothing because it might not happen, you know? Ay, tater tots are so yummy. No wonder. No wonder Napoleon Dynamite would hide them in his pocket, ¿verdad? Save them for later, take them home. Give me some of your tots. Sorry, guys. Remember who said that? Give me some of your tots. Y usted decía, no. Ay, no, qué funny. Y se cerraba la pinche paque para que el pinche chaval no le agarrara las tater tots. El otro güey creo que se la aplastó, ¿no? ¿Cómo decía? Gosh. I need to watch fucking Nickelodeon. Pinche Diamond Napoleon Dynamite. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. For a minute, I thought I saw a fucking face right there. Ay, no ando viendo cosas. Bye-bye.